Spanco Incorporated is the leading American manufacturer of overhead gantry, jib, and workstation bridge cranes and has been setting the industry standard for quality and versatility since 1979. We are dedicated to creating products that are safe, reliable, and efficient, the best cranes available.
We have a long history with Spanco. We have about 5 of their crane systems in our building. No 2 are the same. They're application driven.
With thousands of pre-engineered lifting solutions, as well as the ability to engineer custom systems specific to your location and facility, our team of professionals can find the right solution for any application. Spanco workstation bridge cranes and monorails provide the durability, flexibility, and efficiency needed for a variety of applications where multiple areas of lifting are required. Our enclosed track freestanding and ceiling-mounted workstation bridge cranes and monorails are available in hundreds of pre-engineered models, providing crane coverage for medium to large rectangular areas. With our enclosed track design, a single worker can ergonomically move loads within virtually any workstation. Spanco gantry cranes offer versatility in a variety of applications. Our gantry cranes are available in steel or aluminum with adjustable heights and spans, all designed to be moved under load. They're easily assembled and disassembled and can be track-mounted or completely portable for indoor or outdoor use. If your operation requires a unique design, our technical sales support specialist will work with you to customize the gantry crane to your exact specifications. Spanco jib cranes are the most versatile solution for many industries. Spanco offers an extensive range of installation options and capacities to create the best material handling solution with maximum space efficiency. Spanco jib cranes are available in freestanding, mast-style, foundationless, and wall-mounted designs to fit the needs of your application and facility. All Spanco products are manufactured in our Pennsylvania and Las Vegas manufacturing facilities and supported by our nationwide network of authorized dealers. With East Coast and West Coast manufacturing sites, we can effectively serve customers throughout North America.
The Spanco crane system's held up really well over 10 years. It works just like it did the day we bought it. It's a great brand, it's a good name, so I would absolutely go Spanco again.
By consistently providing high-quality, cost-effective material handling solutions, we continue to live up to our commitment to provide the best customer service in the market. Spanco Incorporated. For more information or to contact a regional sales manager, visit our website at spanco.com.